Hi, if you like our YouTube channel, please check and see the amazing discounts that we offer to health and wellness products in our partner shop. You will have instant access to over 35,000 products. Link in the description. Thank you so much. And
Now Foods, Organic Real Tea, Chamomile, 24 tea bags, 2 grams each. You can buy now this product at the best price, with worldwide delivery, by clicking the link in the description. Product Overview Description. Now Real Tea Comfort in a Cup, USDA Organic Non-GMO Verified Delightfully Relaxing Herbal Tea Certified Organic by Kai. Ah, the beauty of chamomile. A pleasantly cheerful flower that's delightful to look at, but even better in a tea. Its smooth, mellow flavor and unique natural compounds make it ideal for zapping the stress out of your day or to help you unwind for a good night's sleep. And it tastes good, too. Organic chamomile truly is comfort in a cup. We source on the highest quality ingredients so you can enjoy the most delicious, healthful tea every day. Because you are what you eat and drink, now Real Food and Real Tea have been committed to providing delicious, healthy, natural products since 1968. We're independent, family-owned, and proud of it. Keep it natural. Keep it real. Brew it natural. Sip it real. Suggested use. Steep 1 tea bag in 6 to 8 ounces of boiling water for 4 to 6 minutes. Stir occasionally while steeping. Other ingredients. Organic chamomile flowers, Matricaria recutita. Contains no artificial colors, flavors, preservatives, or sugars. Premium unbleached tea bags with our no staples design. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.